Hello YouTube. Thought I'd make a video here. We're getting a snowstorm at my house. This stuff just started about 30 minutes ago. 30 minutes ago the roads were clear. All this came up 30 minutes ago. That's how quick this stuff came down. That's my F-150, my wife's GMC Yukon, my Mustang that you do not drive in the snow. There's a car trying to get up a road right now. Some kind of, I don't know if it's an SUV, I don't know what it is, but this is serious business. Seen a guy walking a minute ago. There goes another truck down the road. Not sure what that car is doing, but we'll just see here in a minute. Calling for the biggest storm of the year, which is already February. Traffic's still moving, but it's about 4 in the evening. Actually, it's about 3, I think, 3:30. In the morning, I think it'll be a lot worse. My Mustang, my stepson's car, it's a Dodge Spirit. He went out about 5 minutes ago in it. He ain't been home 5 minutes. The windshield's already covered. I don't know if you can see the snowflakes falling on the video, but coming down pretty good. I scheduled vacation tomorrow to not go to work. I knew this was coming. There's not a lot to make a video of here where I live. I don't live on the main highway. That is a main road over there, but obviously traffic slowed down. This is supposed to be bad. There goes the car now. I don't drive in it. I used to. I did drove that truck right there last year. Had a riding lawnmower in the back for weight, and I didn't spin. Had a camper top on it, so I didn't care to put my lawnmower in it. But now I just take vacation, stay home. But anyway, I'll make another video in the morning, and we'll see what happens. Thanks for watching. Well, here we are, 5:30 a.m. Got a pretty big snow there yesterday evening, come up real quick. You may be able to hear the freezing rain falling now. Calling for freezing rain for 3 or 4 hours now. Up until at least 9 or 10 a.m., but just out setting in. Should be icy roads. We'll have to see what happens. Don't see any traffic on the main road over there. I know I'm not driving. I'm going to sit right here. Today is my birthday, so I'll just stay home. And we'll get back on here, video some more of this stuff. If it gets any worse, we'll see what happens. Well, here we are, about 7:30 a.m. Freezing rain coming down. The street looks like pure ice. If I don't fall and kill myself, I'm just going to check this out. Well, that's not solid ice. I thought it was solid ice, but it's slushy. But it's still pretty darn slick. I'm going to get my camera wet. There's my F-150. No way I was going to drive a Mustang to work in this stuff. Get back on the porch before I get my camera wet. Here's another car. I had to wipe some of the water off my camera. It is pretty bad out here. Temperature must have raised because it sounded like freezing rain falling, and I said that's what it was, but it might be a mix. Raindrops hitting my camera and my arms was just water. I'm not driving anywhere for a while now. Don't need to. We'll check it out again here, maybe around noon. It's supposed to clear up. We'll see. Here we are, about 10 a.m. Still getting rain, freezing rain. Road isn't clear yet. Still coming down.